Hey guys, Dustin Medlin with Dustin Medlin Real Estate Group at Keller Williams Diamond Partners again. Hey, we are over here in Raytown again, checking out a investment property over here on Vaughn. You can probably see right here, this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home that is currently for sale. And rent over here in this area is probably going to be $950 to $1,000 a month. And I believe they're asking right around $95 for this one right now. So see what kind of work it needs to be done to see where we can see if this would be a potential winner for an investor. So I think it will be. Checking out the outside, you're going to see that it has vinyl siding. With metal wrapped around all the wood, so it's got very low maintenance as far as that's concerned. There is a hole in the siding right there that needs repaired. There was a tree, it looks like, right here that's been cut down. Looks like it does have 2 layers of shingles on the roof. And the roof itself is a 3-tab. It does have some grid on it left. Not brand new by any means. You can see it over here too. A little bit of curl in the shingles. Looks like it's got some tree pieces, parts of that tree underneath it, helping it stick up. So that's one problem. Does have gutters on the house. That all looks good. There's another couple holes in the siding here. They probably had a window unit mounted right there, I'm gonna guess. That would need to be repaired. Could use good power washing on the outside. Clean this up. This is the side door. Here's another corner piece of siding that needs fixed. The air conditioner looks like it's okay. I mean, it's not ancient, probably still works. We'd want to check that during inspection process. Good gutter on the back side with buried drainage, it looks like. Gas meter, it is a crawl space. Here's how you get into the crawl space. The windows all look like they're all wrapped with that metal, so this house would never need any exterior painting. And it looks like it's got some stuff that needs to be cleaned off the roof, some branches that have fallen. So yeah, this house needs a, look in here on the back, I'd say this house needs a roof. See how those are curling up and whatnot. Yeah, for sure. It looks a little bit worse here on the back. Couple other holes in the siding here and here. Here's a look at the backyard. You got a giant tree here and a good sized tree here, which would make for a nice shaded yard, but it's a corner lot, so it is a bigger yard. Overhead power. There's the meter can. So you know it might be susceptible to tree limbs falling, knocking out the power. Those limbs would probably need, I'd cut those limbs back actually. So far you don't have a ton of expense yet. Let's go check out the inside. So here's the front, walking through the front door. Inside has been, looks like, repainted, a good color. And these floors need to be redone, but this seller has advertised that they will give a $2,000 allowance to get the wood floors refinished, which they do need, but that's going to be a good thing for a rental. This is a vinyl plank in this room. And this flooring really isn't too bad. You could rent it this way. It's got a more of a modern fan out here. And then going back, this is the utility room. There's your electrical panel. There's your hookup for your dryer. And there's your hookup for your washing machine. So that's all here. This is that side door that you saw outside. Looks like it's in good shape. I would maybe replace the front door. It's kind of ugly, or at minimum paint it. Coming back through here, here's the kitchen. Again, this has all been painted. Kitchen looks great. I mean, I'd say kitchen's ready to go, just the way it's set. So it's already got a dishwasher and a range. You could get a little bit more on rent if you supplied a refrigerator, but yeah, this room looks great. And there's even enough room over here for a table. So coming back this way, looks like all these windows too have been replaced at one point. They are replacement windows, so this house does not have the original windows in it. That's a good added value for long term. Bedroom number one. It's got a little something happened. Ceiling, probably a roof leak or something like that. Looking at those shingles out there on the backside. Closet. Here's the bathroom. Looks like it's had an updated vanity put in it. Got a couple lights here. Bathtub, surround, white tile. I mean, everything in here, you could rent it the way it is. If you wanted to improve it, you could maybe replace that floor or that shower surround just to improve it aesthetically wise. But functionality wise, it's good the way it is. Here's probably the biggest bedroom in the home. We'll call this the master. Again, upgraded windows, it's got blinds already, needs the floors refinished. And then this room's pretty big too. These might be the same size. This is the third bedroom now. So it's got a mirrored closet, floors need to be finished, replacement windows, dome light. You know, you might want to swap that out for a fan. I like to put a fan in these rooms that are bigger, especially bedrooms. So yeah, this one is not too bad. You're probably going to have $2,000, $2,500 in refinishing the wood floors. You're gonna, have some paint on the door. You got some siding to repair on the outside, and then a roof. The roof's probably gonna cost about $6,000. So I'd say for 10 grand, this place would be in good shape. So renting for, like I said, $950 to $1,000 a month. So yeah, that's this one over on Vaughn. The other thing that we didn't see, which is the furnace, and the furnace is actually in the crawl space on this home. And I did see on the disclosures that the furnace was replaced. So looks like it's got a brand new furnace underneath there. So that's another positive for long-term investors. So anyway, call me if you have any questions or you'd like this property or want to find a property like this one to invest in here in the Kansas City area, which offers good returns. Thanks. Have a great day.